So, Mason, tell me what is one challenging experience you have overcome in past years?
One of my biggest challenges I faced in the past year was dealing with financial problems. It was really hard because it affected not only my studies but also my everyday life.
What personal qualities or strategies help you get through it?
What helped me get through it was my determination and self-control. I learned how to focus on what was truly important and let go of things I could live without. I also tried to be resourceful and remind myself what I needed to keep going despite the struggles.
What did you learn about yourself during that time?
During that time, I discovered that I'm stronger than I thought. Even if life was tough, I realized that I could adjust, sacrifice, and still move forward.
What are the current source of your stress in your life?
Right now, my main source of stress is still money, especially when it comes to paying school fees and daily needs.
What support or strategies might help you cope better?
To cope better, I think I need more support from my family and friends. And I also want to manage my budget wisely. Looking for scholarships or small opportunities to earn could also really help. Most of all, staying positive and surrounding myself with encouragement makes a big difference. What is one challenging experience you have overcome in the past year?
One challenging experience I have overcome last year was losing my family. It was very painful emotionally and it affects me deeply as I had to accept this passing while continuing with my studies.
What personal qualities or strategies help you get through it?
One strategy that helped me get through the loss of my brother was setting clear goals to myself. To stay updated with something, I remind myself why I am studying, finish my degree, and become a successful citizen. Something my father would be proud of.
What did you learn about yourself during that time?
During that time, I learned that I am stronger and more resilient than I thought. Losing my father was one of the hardest experiences of my life, but I realized that I can overcome and still move forward.
What are the current sources of stress in your life?
One of the current source of stress in my life is my academic responsibilities. As the BSME student, the subjects are very demanding and I need to balance lecture, exam, and practical learning. Sometimes to workload feels overwhelming, especially when deadline and exam comes at the same time.
What support or strategies might help you cope better?
To cope better with academic stress, I believe that seeking support by using effective strategies would greatly help me. Support from my family, friends, and classmates and give me encouragement and motivation when I feel good.
One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one.